So today we're gonna make a Jarana Margarita. Very simple, very easy to make. 100% agave. What you're gonna do is get your glass, put some salt and lime on it. Next thing you're gonna need to do is throw some ice in there. Very simple to do. Just throw a little bit more ice in there while we're at it, huh? All right, throw some ice. Gonna get 1 shot of Jarana tequila. Throw that in there. Then we're gonna use a very good mix right here. It's called low calorie margarita mix. Pour that in. Fill her up. And there you go, guys. A very simple, very beautiful, delicious margarita. All right, guys, here we go. Here's our margarita. Ooh, this tastes delicious. It's not overdone. Not too much sugar because we use the low calorie. Jarana, 100% agave, blanco tequila. Very delicious, very easy to make. You guys, we got it right here at Johnny's Liquor Cabinet. Catch you later.